Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing in and granting the app access it needs, because without correct permissions, data won't sync. Next, import your test list via CSV or manual entry. Verify ID and timestamps so records align. Then set primary ranking criteria, weight for each metric, time limit, and pass threshold to define how the app scores results. Once these essentials are in place, you're ready to proceed to configuring the ranking logic and filters. Now you configure the core logic. Define formulas for accuracy, speed, penalties, and normalize scores so the app computes consistent values. Apply filters, date range, cohort, test type, minimum attempts to limit the dataset and improve relevance. Preview a sample ranking to see how scores distribute and adjust weights or tiebreaker rules until results match your intent. Make sure to save this configuration as a named profile. It speeds repeats and ensures reproducibility. Run the full ranking to generate final scores and export results to CSV or dashboard widgets for stakeholders. Schedule updates as needed, real-time, hourly, or daily, so ranks stay current. Confirm refresh windows won't overlap heavy loads. If numbers look wrong, check common issues. Mismatched ID, incorrect time zones causing timestamp shifts, or formula settings that treat missing values as 0. If that fails, revert to the saved profile and rerun the preview to isolate the error.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.